Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. This video is on the chapter Shukra Tare Ke Saman for grade 10. Now this chapter was deleted the previous year, but they have included for the coming batch. And actually this chapter is a bit boring. There is nothing much interesting in it. And it's not a story. I'll just tell you what it is about. The Lekhak, as you can see, his name is Swami Anand. Now, why he has written this is because he actually just noted down the importance of a person, okay, a person named Mahadevi Desai. Okay, he is the main character over here, and this entire writing over here is about him. Okay, how important he was, and during the all those freedom fights and all, and also how beautiful his writing was. He was known for his way of writing skill. Okay, Mahadevi Desai was known for his writing skill, and so that is he also played a very important role during the freedom movement and whatever movements were happening at that time. But he was not he's not very much noticed. Okay, people doesn't know, most of them doesn't know the name Mahadevi Desai and the role he played during the freedom fight, etc. Okay, so that is why the Lekhak Swami Anand has written about him, to just make us aware and remind us about a person like that who had played a very active role during freedom movements. So let's begin. Okay, लेखक कहता है कि लेखक कहता है कि आकाश के तारों में शुक्र का कोई जोड़ नहीं है। कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि शुक्र तारा सबसे अनोखा है ना। यहाँ पे एज यू नो द टाइटल इज शुक्र तारे के समान. Shukra Tara, as we know, there are many planets and stars on the sky, okay, in which Shukra Tara is Venus, okay, Venus. So Venus is always said to be among other planets. Venus is said to be something very unique. Okay, it shines a little more brightly than any other planets or stars over there. So that is why here the title is Shukra Tare Ke Saman. Saman means what? Similarity. So here Mahadevi Desai is being similarized with Shukra Tara because he also was someone who used to shine like a Venus, okay, in those times. So that is why. So here Lekhak says that Akash ke taro mein, in the stars and planets in the sky, Venus or Shukra Tara is something which cannot be compared with anything. ठीक है, उसका कोई जोड़ नहीं है. यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर इट विथ एनी वन. सो सिमिलरली ये है कि शुक्र तारा सबसे अनोखा है. सो ही सेज शुक्र तारा और वीनस इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड यूनिक. भाई महादेव जी आधुनिक भारत की स्वतंत्रता के उषा काल में अपनी वैसी ही चमक से हमारे आकाश को जगमगाकर देश और दुनिया को मुग्ध करके शुक्र तारे की तरह ही अचानक अस्त हो गए, अर्थात उनका निधन हो गया. सो हियर महादेवी देसाई इज ऑल्सो जस्ट लाइक वीनस हु यूज टू शाइन ड्यूरिंग द अर्ली टाइम्स ऑफ फ्रीडम. ठीक है, स्वतंत्रता के उषा काल में मीन्स इन द बिगिनिंग टाइम और द अर्ली टाइम ऑफ फ्रीडम, ही ऑल्सो यूज टू शाइन अमंग पीपल. Okay, because of his works he used to do, he used to shine among people. And just like a planet just disappears suddenly, he also suddenly disappeared, means he passed away. Okay, he left this world suddenly one day. Okay, लेखक ये भी कहता है कि सेवा धर्म का पालन करने के लिए इस धरती पर जन्मे स्वर्गीय महादेव देसाई गांधी जी के मंत्री थे. Now लेखक also says that for सेवा धर्म means for serving in the name of nation. Okay, that is what सेवा धर्म means. So in order to fulfill all his duties for serving the nation, okay, Swargiya Mahadev, so just imagine he's being addressed as Swargiya, means a person who has got paradise. So Swargiya Mahadevi Desai was also a minister, mantri the, of whom? Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, गांधी जी के लिए महादेव पुत्र से भी अधिक थे. Now for Gandhi ji, Mahadev Desai was more than a son to him. Okay, that means he had a very close relationship with Mahadevi Desai. लेखक कहता है कि सन 1919 में जलियांवाला बाग के हत्याकांड के दिनों में पंजाब जाते हुए गांधी जी को पलवल स्टेशन पर गिरफ्तार किया गया था। गांधी जी ने उसी समय महादेव भाई को अपना वारिस कहा था। So during the year 1919, when Jallianwala Bagh, Hatyakand means something that was attack, okay, attack that happens where people are attacking each other. So such thing called Jallianwala Bagh was going to happen. Gandhiji was on his way when at Palwal station, Palwal is the name of a station where he got imprisoned. Okay, he was giraftar kiya, he was arrested. So Gandhi ji ne usi samay, on that spot of time itself, Gandhi ji said that who is going to lead me for Jallianwala Bagh? It will be Mahadevi Desai. So that much importance Gandhi ji gave to this person. Okay, Mahadev ji. लाहौर के मुख्य राष्ट्रीय अंग्रेजी दैनिक पत्र ट्रिब्यून के संपादक श्री कालीनाथ राय को 10 साल की जेल की सज़ा मिली. Now, Lahore is a place. Over there, मुख्य राष्ट्रीय अंग्रेजी दैनिक पत्र means a daily newspaper, a very important and famous English daily newspaper, अंग्रेजी दैनिक पत्र, daily newspaper, which had the name Tribune. It's a name of daily newspaper. के संपादक means editor, okay, editor of that newspaper. What is his name? Shri Kalinath Rai. Now, he got arrested for 10 years, 10 साल की जेल की सज़ा. He got arrested for 10 years. Now he was the editor of a famous newspaper. He gets arrested. लेखक कहता है कि गांधी जी के सामने जुल्मों और अत्याचारों की कहानियाँ पेश करने के लिए आने वाले पीड़ितों के दल गामदेवी के मणि भवन पर इकट्ठे आते रहते थे. Now people used to come in groups, okay, in crew. Dal ke dal means in group. People used to come in groups. Who are those people? जुल्मों और अत्याचारों की कहानियाँ पेश करने. So the people who were being suppressed by British people, who were facing a lot of difficulties because of British people. Now they didn't have this newspaper to publish their difficulty because the main editor of that had been arrested. So now these people used to come in groups to Gandhi ji and they used to gather at Gamdevi ke Mani Bhavan. Okay, that is a name. Mani Bhavan means it's a house, okay, which had the name of Gamdevi. It's a place where people used to gather for telling their problems to Gandhi ji. They came in front of Gandhi ji to tell their difficulties. महादेव उनकी बातों को विस्तार से सुनकर छोटे रूप में तैयार करके उनको गांधी जी के सामने पेश करते थे और आने वालों के साथ गांधी जी की आमने सामने मुलाकातें भी करवाते थे. Now what does Mahadev do here? He used to listen to all the grievances of people and write it in a short form and in a very nice form, easily understandable form, and present it in front of Gandhi ji. And also he used to make it ready for Gandhi ji to meet such people who were facing these difficulties. Their meeting was also being prepared by Mahadev ji. लेखक कहता है कि शंकर लाल बैंकर, उमर सोबानी और जमनादास द्वारकादास उन दिनों बम्बई के 3 नए नेता थे. These are the 3 new नेता or leaders of that time. Okay, the name of them are Shankar Lal Bankar, Umar Sobani, Jamnadas Dwarkadas. Now these 3 people are the new ministers of Bombay. इनमें अंतिम जन्मादास द्वारकादास श्रीमती बेनसेट के अनुयायी थे. Means he was a follower or what to say, a person who is under another political leader. Her name was Srimati Benset. So under her, this Janmadas Dwarkadas was her follower. Okay, ये नेता यंग इंडिया नाम का एक अंग्रेजी पत्रिका भी निकालते थे. Now this neta, Jamnadas Dwarkadas, he was also a publisher of Young India नामक अंग्रेजी पत्र. It is also an English newspaper. He was a publisher of that. ये पत्रिका सप्ताह में एक बार निकाली जाती थी. In week once in a week, the publishing of this newspaper used to take place. I can understand this chapter is really boring. You must not be even able to pay attention to it. But please do pay attention because this is there in your syllabus. Okay, Shankar Lal Bankar, शंकर लाल बैंकर, उमर सोबानी और जमनादास द्वारकादास तीनों नेता गांधी जी को बहुत मानते थे और उनके सत्याग्रह आंदोलन में मुंबई के बेजोड़ नेता भी थे. Now, these three ministers of Mumbai, they had a lot of respect for Mahatma Gandhi ji, and also during Gandhiji's Satyagraha movement, okay, the movement we know, Satyagraha movement. At that time, these three ministers played very important role. जो पूरे आंदोलन के दौरान गांधी जी के साथ ही रहे. दे वर देयर इन द एंटायर मूवमेंट. दीज थ्री मिनिस्टर्स वर विथ गांधी जी. इन्होंने गांधी जी से विनती की कि वे यंग इंडिया के संपादक बन जाए. गांधी जी को तो इसकी सख्त ज़रूरत थी ही. उन्होंने विनती तुरंत स्वीकार कर ली. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स, these three ministers, they start doing vinti. Vinti means requesting to Gandhi ji that please become sampadak. What is sampadak? Editor of our newspaper Young India. Now Gandhiji was in need of this. Why? Because there were many people, because of that first English newspapers editor being arrested. Okay, Gandhiji, the people were coming in front of Gandhiji to tell their difficulties, right? We saw that. So now Gandhiji was in need of a new English newspapers editor. So Gandhiji was ready to become the editor for this newspaper. लेखक कहता है कि गांधी जी का काम इतना बढ़ गया कि साप्ताहिक पत्र भी कम पड़ने लगा. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स, गांधी जी's workload increased a lot. Okay, that even the weekly newspaper, now these weekly newspapers actually record whatever happens in the country. Okay, they record whatever is happening, whatever Gandhiji's works are, everything gets recorded in the newspaper. Now Gandhiji's work was so much increased that weekly newspaper was not enough. This newspaper used to get published once in a week, right? Now that was not enough. Okay, just once publishing was not enough because so many works had to be recorded. लेखक कहता है कि गांधी जी और महादेव का सारा समय देश घूमने में बीतने लगा. Now the entire time of Mahadev and Gandhi ji, they were both together always. Now their entire time used to be spent on visiting different places and people. ओके, गांधी जी और महादेव जहाँ भी होते वहाँ से कामों और कार्यक्रमों की भारी भीड़ के बीच भी समय निकालकर लेख लिखते और भेजते थे. नाउ वेर एवर गांधी एंड महादेव वर, दे यूज टू टेक टाइम समहाउ, ओके, टू राइट फॉर द एडिटोरियल पेज. दे यूज टू समहाउ राइट एंड सेंड इट फॉर पब्लिशिंग. लेखक कहता है कि भरपूर चैकसाई, ऊंचे से ऊंचे ब्रिटिश समाचार पत्रों की परंपराओं को अपनाकर चलने का गांधी जी का आग्रह और कट्टर से कट्टर विरोधियों के साथ भी पूरी सत्यनिष्ठा में से उत्पन्न होने वाली विनय विवेक युक्त विवाद करने की गांधी जी की शिक्षा, इन सब गुणों ने तीव्र मतभेदों और स्टॉप हियर. लेखक कहता है कि भरपूर चैकसाई, ऊंचे से ऊंचे ब्रिटिश समाचार पत्रों की परंपरा को अपनाकर. नाउ चैकसाई, ऊंचे से ऊंचे ब्रिटिश समाचार पत्र को अपनाकर मीन्स ऑल हिज वर्क्स आर बीइंग सेड हियर. ओके, हाउ डिफिकल्ट टाइम इट वाज फॉर गांधी जी टू हैंडल ऑल दीज थिंग्स टुगेदर. सो ही यूज्ड टू डू, गांधी जी का आग्रह और कट्टर से, बट इवन दो ही वॉज वेरी बिजी विथ ऑल दोज वर्क, स्टिल ही वॉन्टेड टू गिव अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन टू ब्रिटिश पीपल. ओके, कट्टर देना था उनको विरोधियों के. विरोध मीन्स द पीपल हु आर एनिमी टू अस, दे आर ब्रिटिश पीपल हियर. सो ही वॉज स्टिल रेडी टू फेस दोज ब्रिटिश पीपल, टू चैलेंज दोज ब्रिटिश पीपल. ओके, उत्पन्न होने वाली विनय विवेक युक्त विवाद, एंड ऑल्सो द वे गांधी जी यूज टू face these people, British people, okay, fight those people in terms of words, okay, or in terms of movement, the way he used to do all these things. Shiksha, in sab gunon ke, the Gandhiji had the shiksha for that. He had the education for that, knowledge for that, how to meet these people. और विरोधी प्रचार के बीच भी, and also publishing everything against those British people in the newspaper. Amongst all these things, amidst these things, देश विदेश के सारे समाचार पत्रों की दुनिया में और एंग्लो इंडियन समाचार पत्रों के बीच भी व्यक्तिगत रूप से महादेव को सबका लाडला. सो इन अमिडस्ट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ओके, इन ऑल द न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड अमंग ऑल एंग्लो इंडियन न्यूज़पेपर्स और इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर्स, ऑलवेज महादेव was said to be the ladla, means the important or someone who is being liked by everyone. His writing was the most famous thing. So at the beginning of the chapter itself, I said that he was known for his writing skill. So though there were many newspapers in those times and many different kind of interesting stories written in different newspapers, but the writing of Mahadev was very much well known. And also, though Mahadev was, against British people, Okay, Mahadev was with Gandhiji against British people. Still, British people also had admitted, they agreed that he was someone known for his writing skill. Nobody could write like Mahadev ji. Okay? ओके क्योंकि महादेव ने सभी कामों को बड़े सही ढंग से संभाल रखा था बिकॉज महादेव यूज टू हैंडल ऑल द वर्क्स इन दोज टाइम्स इन अ वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी इजी मैनर। लेखक कहता है कि भारत में महादेव के अक्षरों का कोई सानी नहीं था, कोई भी महादेव की तरह सुंदर लिखावट में नहीं लिख सकता था। सो लेखक सेज दैट इन द एंटायर इंडिया देयर वाज नोबडी हु कुड राइट लाइक Mahadev. Nobody could match the words he used to write in. Okay, he had a very beautiful handwriting. Also, his way of using the words, okay, those continuation in writing and the way he used to write the words, it was really different and very attractive. यहाँ तक कि वाइसरॉय के नाम जाने वाले गांधी के पत्र हमेशा महादेव की लिखावट में जाते थे। नाउ वाइसरॉय, हु इज़ वाइसरॉय? इट्स अ हाई ऑफिशियल, ओके, हाई ऑफिशियल पर्सन। नाउ टू वाइसरॉय वॉट एवर लेटर गांधी जी यूज टू राइट, गांधी जी हैड टू राइट लेटर्स टू डिफरेंट लीडर्स and high officials, etc. So whatever letter that used to go to Viceroy, it was written by Mahadev. Okay, in his writing, लिखावट means in his writing only it used to go. उन पत्रों को देख देख कर दिल्ली और शिमला में बैठे वाइसरॉय लंबी सांस लेते रहते थे. So seeing this letter, sitting in Delhi and Shimla, the Viceroy used to be there. So sitting over there and getting these letters and reading those words, he used to take सांस means, it was breathtaking, you can say. Those words were breathtaking. भले ही उन दिनों भारत पर ब्रिटिश सल्तनत की पूरी हुकूमत थी, लेकिन उस सल्तनत के छोटे बादशाह को भी गांधी जी के सेक्रेटरी यानी महादेव के समान सुंदर अक्षर लिखने वाला लेखक कहाँ मिलता. सो दो एट दैट टाइम ब्रिटिश सल्तनत वॉज गोइंग ऑन, मीन्स देयर रूलिंग वॉज गोइंग ऑन, बट इवन देयर लीडर बादशाह, इवन देयर किंग couldn't write in the manner Mahadev used to use words and write beautifully. बड़े बड़े सिविलियन और गवर्नर कहा करते थे कि सारी ब्रिटिश सर्विसों में महादेव के समान अक्षर लिखने वाला कहीं खोजने पर भी मिलता नहीं था. सो इवन बिग सिविलियंस एंड गवर्नर्स, इवन दे यूज्ड टू से दैट इवन ऑन सर्चिंग एनीवेयर यू वोंट गेट अ पर्सन लाइक महादेव हु कैन राइट सच ब्यूटिफुल इन अ सच ब्यूटिफुल मैनर. लेखक कहता है कि महादेव का शुद्ध और सुंदर लेखन पढ़ने वाले को मंत्र मुग्ध कर देता था. सो हिज वे ऑफ राइटिंग इन सच अ प्योर फॉर्म, शुद्ध एंड सुंदर ब्यूटिफुल फॉर्म, यूज टू मेक द पढ़ने वाले, द रीडिंग पर्सन, मंत्र मुग्ध, मेस्मराइज्ड. And the person who is reading his writing used to be mesmerized totally. लेखक कहता है कि महादेव एक कोने में बैठे बैठे अपनी लंबी लिखावट में सारी चर्चा को लिखते रहते थे. मुलाकात के लिए आए हुए लोग अपनी मंजिल पर जाकर सारी बातचीत को टाइप करके जब उसे गांधी जी के पास ओके करवाने के लिए पहुंचते तो भले ही उनमें कुछ भूले या कमियां खामियां मिल जाए, लेकिन महादेव की डायरी में या नोट बही में कोई भी गलती नहीं होती थी, यहाँ तक कि कॉमा मात्र की भी भूल नहीं मिलती थी. सो Mahadev used to write down, we had seen it earlier, he used to note down whatever the people had difficulties, he is the one who used to note it down and present it in front of Gandhiji in short form, right? So these people, when getting their difficulties typed, those people used to get them typed, so there used to be mistakes in that and they used to bring it to get okay from Gandhiji, means approval from Gandhiji. So at that time there used to be mistakes in their typing. Okay, but when these used to be recorded by Mahadev, there used to not be any mistake, not even in a comma or full stop, any comma or matra. There used to be no such even small tiny minute mistake in the writing of Mahadev while he used to record their difficulty in the diary. Okay, that was the way Mahadev used to write. So the entire chapter is on how beautifully he used to write and also how beautifully he played the role during our freedom fight in India. Okay, thank you so much for listening attentively the entire session. Thank you so much. Keep supporting learners. Bye-bye.